This is a cheese cutter we bought off Amazon. This is real marble. It's real heavy, and it's got a marble handle. But the wire keeps falling off, and if you notice, wherever they made this, they didn't. Let's see if I can get that there. They didn't cut that groove deep enough on the end of this metal rod to hold this wire in. See, if I put this wire here like that, through here like this, see, that's how it sits when it goes through the hole in the side here, right here. And what holds this thing in place is that wire keeps it in there, and of course the tension it's under. And then this sits here like that. I'm sure you know that, but the trick is I'm going to grind this groove a little deeper with my little grinding tool here, and then I'm going to put it back together. And that's it. Gonna get a little noisy here. See, I made the groove a little deeper now, so the wire won't slip off so easy now. It'll stay in there. They didn't do a good job putting the groove in there. See, it's a lot deeper now. Okay. There's a little hole. I don't know how good you're gonna see it on there, but it's just a little cheese cutting wire, and you gotta feed this through like this, like that, and you got to line this up so it lines up with that pull going through. And this is pretty heavy, so I'm going to take it off. Really heavy stuff. Okay. See a little loop? Hope you can see it. Yeah. That goes down here in this slot. It can be easy to film, especially when I'm filming alone. I stick it down here, run the pipe through, hook it on that pipe, there, and it's hooked up. Now the handle's in place, see? See? And now it's deep enough where it should work. And then you put this thing on. I forgot how it goes. I think it goes on here, through here, and this thread's on here. Try to thread it on like that, and you see how it goes, little set screw. I know I'm not getting that, but there's a flat spot here on the handle. Get it on here, get it over that rolled spot. Easier said than done. There we go. There we go. Now you just get it set up in that slot like that. There you go. Get this on there, and then put some tension on by pulling down on the handle and tighten up the handle like that. There. And there's your cheese cutter. Then you just got to adjust it. But then it won't fall out, so then the handle won't fall out. Because that groove is deeper. That's it. Okay, it's done. All ready. It's all ready to cut cheese. We'll see how long. The weak point on this is this cheap lock nut setup they got here. This gets loose, the cable gets loose when you're cutting cheese, and then it gets loose and the handle comes out. But I got the groove, so we'll see how it works. We gotta cut a lot of cheese. Oh yeah. There we go.